The Huepar 360-degree laser level offers adjustable brightness, making it ideal for different indoor lighting conditions and ensuring clear lines during various DIY tasks. Its full room coverage with 360-degree horizontal and 130-degree vertical lines provides precise alignment on walls, floors, and ceilings. With a rechargeable Li-ion battery and Type-C charging, this tool can run up to 11 hours, ensuring you are never out of power during important projects. The laser level delivers high precision with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet and extends its range up to 165 feet in pulse mode. Equipped with a high visibility green laser, it offers better visibility than red lasers, making it easier to work in indoor lighting conditions. The included accessories such as a 60-inch tripod and green laser glasses enhance its usability, making it perfect for DIY, installation, and renovation tasks.